Hey, this is Ellie from Magic Beans, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to know about the 2019 Nuna Rava Convertible car seat. This is one of our favorite car seats. We know you're researching it, we know you're thinking about it, so I'm going to break it down for you, and we want to help you. If you have any questions about this car seat or any other convertible car seat, you should go to mbeans.com/questions and ask us your questions. You can call us at 617-383-8259, or you can simply leave a comment below. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans Videos. I review and compare the latest and greatest in strollers and car seats and baby gear and toys. Please subscribe to our channel today, and here's the review. The first thing you need to know is that all car seats for Nuna in 2019 are flame retardant free. That means that there is no chemical treating on these materials in order to make it flame retardant. So that's good. All natural flame retardant, no chemicals on your baby. That's great. There are things about this seat that I absolutely love. The first thing is that it's rear facing until 50 pounds. We love extended rear facing. Keep your baby rear facing as long as possible. And there's extended leg room. Pull underneath, you lower it, and it comes out 2 extra inches of leg room in the rear facing position. Let me show you how that works in the rear facing position. So it's actually quite nice. The recline mechanism is very elegant. You just push this down and it reclines really easy. And while I'm here, there's extra side impact protection on the side for, God forbid, in a side impact collision. But one of the great things about this is that it's very, very easy to install. So if you don't want to pull and struggle with installing your car seat, this is something that I highly, highly recommend. So the way it works is there's an infant insert, which I'm going to remove for you. And then you unsnap it. You open this up, and you unsnap it on the inside, and voila, you can see here is the interior mechanism. The blue is for the rear facing, and the red is for the forward facing. You put your thumb in here, and a little door opens, and then what you do is there are little cup holders on the side, which actually reveal a path for you to put the seatbelt through, and you do that on both sides. Okay, open that up. Now, we're in that rear facing position. Now I'm just gonna take the seatbelt. I'm gonna put it through that cup holder situation, and you click it in. Okay, now you take out just a tiny little bit of slack, not too much, and then what you do is you just push down this tensioning plate. Push it down. Click, that's it, it's installed. Look, this does not move in the slightest bit. What you should do as a final step, because this tensioning plate is not actually a lock off, take your seatbelt, pull it to the very end, switch to retractor, and now you are installed properly, but this thing is not moving. It's a very similar situation when you're installing it rear facing. A couple other things, again, rear facing until 50 pounds. Also, there is a non-rethread harness. Just lift right here, and as your child gets bigger, you can just lift it up, and then you're gonna flip it around for forward-facing position up until 65 pounds. This color, if you're wondering, is the Aspen color. New for 2019, like I said, flame retardant free. Let's go and take a look at the other colors. Caviar is coming back for 2019, but it's flame retardant free. And they have this new color, which is like a pinkish, like blushy pink color, lilac, if you will. We don't have a name for it yet. There are 2 different types of gray colors, granite and frost, available for 2019, FR free, flame retardant free, which is really cool. If you want more information, click the link below. All the pictures are there. We have a blog post. We have information about it. Landing pages, all that stuff at mbeans.com. Not only do we review products, but we're also a retailer, and we ship all over the country. All Ravas are shipped for free, which is cool. And if you live outside of Massachusetts and Connecticut, you save the tax too. If you have any questions about the Nuna Rava or any other convertible car seat, go to mbeans.com/questions and ask us your questions. Call us at 617-383-8259 or just leave a comment below. Hope you liked this video. I loved making it for you. It was really fun. So give us a like. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to Magic Beans videos today. Thanks so much for watching.